Alrighty guys, Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now let me tell y'all one of the hardest jobs I've done in a long freaking time. Alright, now y'all see what's going on. First of all, you see the oil pan off, right? Oh my goodness. In order to get the oil pan off, technically you're supposed to drop the cradle. Alright, I got the cradle so hanging. Okay, the cradle is hanging safely though, safely. Supposed to remove the rack. I got it out of the way. Okay, you got to take it off the cradle and get it out of the way. You will not clear that oil pan, two-piece oil pan, without doing all of this. All right, now this ain't a video on how to do this. I'm just showing y'all what I'm up against. Okay, in fact, this is the perfect time to do an oil pump. Yeah, it's right there. Well, anyway, I guess cousin Pookie tried to reseal the oil pan. I don't know why, because there was never a leak. But anyway, he went in with one screw and it snapped. Okay, like one of these, the bolts. Okay, and the two-piece. We're gonna go look at the oil pan in a second. It snapped off inside of it. Okay, so we was about to replace the oil pan, but I'm gonna see if I can get it out. All right, the oil pan quite expensive, and the labor is taking me, or he's paying for me to get it out. I couldn't fix it up here, guys, so I just can't get bites on it. I had to take it off and try to go. I actually thought there was the opposite end on the other side. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So here's the oil pan. Here's the, I've already cleaned it up and everything. You got the old gasket off right here. I see that. So in the car, or with this in the car, yeah, there was no bolts right here and oil just. So some people would try to extra pack it with RTV, all right? But the distance between this one and this one is too great. Okay, if these was close by, yeah, you might could pull that off. I've done that, guys. So yeah, you're gonna try anything because nobody wants to deal with this. So my thinking was, I thought this was a straight through. You see right here? That's straight through. Well, you can't see if this one's straight through because there's a broken bolt in there. And I didn't think to feel under there and see it's not a straight through. Okay, in fact, right there, yeah, so it's not straight through, so I can't go through the other side and simply drive it out. Well, we sold them an oil pan. We don't have one, and it's having a hard time getting one, so I'm going to attempt to get that out of there. What y'all think? Y'all think I got it in me? Y'all got confidence in your boy? We're gonna take this over to the table. I can't, like, if that bolt got, if it got Loctite on it. I know some of you guys are welding a tit tat on there and just backing it out, but this aluminum, my buddy welding buddy ain't here, and so I'm finna try to small tap chisel it out. Hopefully I can go round and round and round. All right, so what I'm gonna do, we're gonna give it a shot. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. We're gonna find out. Alrighty guys, here goes nothing. The first thing I'm gonna do is try to heat this up. Okay, so if it has any Loctite on it, I don't want it to be getting in my way. Not too much. Alright. Now. Oh, well, it's melting. Alright. Uh-oh. Ha ha! Uh-oh. Oh, shit. We might be... Hold on. Come on, baby. Give me something. Come on, baby. Come to Papa. Come on, baby. Come to Papa. Woohoo! Y'all see what I see? Damn, I lost it. I'm ruining these picks, but oh well. This boat, getting this boat out is more important. Come on, baby. What the hell? Uh-oh. Oh, there you go. baby. We on the road. Come on, baby. Got a little bite. Damn, it stopped. All right, I need some pliers. All right, so yeah, these the Lowe's Craftsman, not the Sears. All right, so I gotta. It's done turning by hand. I can't get another bite on it. So let's see if Craftsman can save the day. Help me save the day. Lowe's Craftsman. Uh oh. Ah, look at that. Yeah. I fixed it. There you go, guys. Damn. Guess what? I just saved this guy. Look at that. Ta-da. Just saved this guy an oil pan. Now, he still got to pay me labor. Do you know how much labor it is to take this out? Somebody looked that up. Jeep Grand Cherokee 2016 model, I want to say. The oil pan. Yeah. You got to take the cradle out, the rack and pinion, all kinds of crazy stuff. And I had to get it out to get this out because there's no way I would have been able to do all this up on the car. Now, because he's lucky, we don't have an oil pan, so it's hard to get one. They can't find one. So guess what? Now he don't need one. So that's maybe a couple hundred. I don't know what this costs. That's money he can save, but it's gonna be ate up by labor. I don't know. I don't know how they're gonna work it out, but I got the problem and I fixed the problem. That's all that matters. Guys, I gotta go.